Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gathering Biology class. Ngasi ako'y tawdurishina unit number 1 gi chapter number 4 reproductive health ko. Reproductive health say ngasidagi ihan hana hawduribani chapter number 4. So what is reproductive health? Reproductive health habisi kaino. Reproductive health hai tardi kuna reproductive organs healthy when at hambaduneba. Magi functions map. The pajanan kizana mapung pana tawbungamba ko. Aduga magi reproductive health organs to healthy when at hambadubu. Kuna kay kauke the reproductive health na kawi. Reproductive organs di mamangi chapter number 3 da kuna nainakre reproductive organs hai tardi male reproductive organ harama female reproductive organ harama ani thukna lagi ko. Ada primary sex organ along with the accessory glands, accessory ducts and external genitalia. Si ma'am se kuna healthy na thambuduneba. Sige chapter sida nainakaduisi adugo sige chapter sida nainakaduisi kay no hai matamda reproductive sexual transmitted disease ma'am nainarani infertility kamaina cope up tawgani or infertility sing kamaina kuna kay haini infertility problems sing kamaina phan kani adegidi population explosion kamaina thola ino kolino birth control kamaina tawni si ma'am je nainera kadini ko according to the World Health Organization kay haini reproductive health means total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. Total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, and behavioral, and social. Si ma'am, si name ko. According to World Health Organization, na kay haba reproductive health, haba matanda, kayo in all aspects of reproduction nga marilay na ba, reproduction nga marilay na ba, mayama, for example, physical, emotional, wakal nung kalikara, then behavioral, may mo mataw, ada social hadi aku betul lagi masih social berada berada ana sisi ma'am sida healthy way da ko reproductive health and high din ko. So the improved reproductive health of society requires following factors. Kay no reproductive health se pahange high tardi kay mathau tai hamada better awareness about sex related matters. Sex better awareness hari mayam na gyan tadaba mayam ama khangdaba mayam da khanganba. Sexual education is a very important. Sex education jam important oiko. Aduna kayo have better awareness about sex related matters. Number 2 the increased number of medically assisted deliveries and better postnatal care leading to decreased maternal and infant mortality rates. Increased number of medical assisted deliveries. Medical assisted deliveries, hari delivery da hidak nung tawaga delivery tawbo kambu and better postnatal care. Postnatal hai tadi angang si delivery tawar matung sida mother na kay masagi oina kay haini section ba kay section gadagi do ko postnatal care masana masagi phana ba sai postnatal na delivery tawar matung da mother siam section na potharaga leiba adagi mai yaiba khotba kaina yam lei ko ada masaji phana leinaba hidak phajana chaba khotba leading to decrease maternal and infant mortality rates adagi angang singsu phajana care lobiba angang singsu hadi infant adi pok tangai ngai se ko pok tangai angang singse phajana senabiba disease mayam di layeng hoba tegi keno mayam ta thauba kay vaccine mayam thauba ko sinam jini increased number of couples with small families better detection and cure of STDs. STDs ay tadi sexually transmitted disease having so lagi mga subada overall increased medical facilities for all sex related problems have got. The family planning programs. How the family planning se mani family angang si masing yam tadi hadi family se mother kano se macam mana 5 kasuri khalo ba tu tadi ko ina khun gadi pesado phajana lei gi tadi kasu wani ngai bu leite ko adubu tabak macha ma tawba imung dadi kai ha matam da segi angang si se putani ning ba ngam da malnutrition thokpa adigi population explosion thokpa si myam population explosion thok tadi khona laiba resource limited ne ba resource depend to boni mi bisi ada resource limited banina kadoge ha matam da segi konarakta ni malnutrition lakpa adu problem ma mathang tholakani duna so family planning se taw mathau tare na ko mena lakthoki ko family planning se karam kandagi lakthoki ha matam ko India da 1951 and we periodically assess over the past decades ko si ma'am se nei adum past decades da sahi mathang tarak 1951 dagi adum sena khotna da na government na The programs to improve and cover reproduction related areas under the popular name Reproductive and Child Health Care. Reproductive and Child Health Care Programs. It was launched in 1997. The RCH है full form से मुन्नेंगो. RCH की full form से कहीं Reproductive and Child Health Care. It was launched in 1997. The हौदों की बनी को. Sisi, as reproduction related areas are popular name. Had this ma'am sida, mayam sida si makha sida, ma'am the awareness piba, adagi free course ta lying makolamba si ma'am si na inareko. The major tasks of RCH programs say, abidi RCH programs na kari tongi siko. Bada, number one, the creating awareness among the people about the reproduction related aspects. Mayam sida gyan tahan the aware or kanghan ba. Education tambi ba haita education hata laila su iba pa ba topa dun khatang natte ko educated o hen ba haita about the sex related topic ngam sida hena khanghan ba and then creating awareness among the people about reproduction related aspects. Number 2, the providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society. Providing facility asagi ay na the free da chapot gi ba ko liga mother singi tongan ba scheme ma sembi ba adagi infant sing da taidoge da mo si masa phan ba vaccine na di atop food ngam lai na ko gi comment gi awareness pe am silai ko adi yojana ne am lai na ko aduna providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society. Government and non-governmental agencies have taken various important steps to create awareness among people about reproduction-related aspects. See, ma'am, steps. Both government as well as non-governmental. Both government na su tawi, aduga non-government na association macha labor may NGOs ma'am na su pulap kanon tawi ba tabok tawi haba ko. Number C, educate people about birth control. Ni ma'am si gyan tahan ba birth control si kamay na tawgani. Care of pregnant mothers sing sida kamay section thorang kay lawgani. Then postnatal care hai tadi after the delivery of the baby ko sina postnatal care have a natality hai di birth have ni ko. Adina natal hai tadi after the delivery of the baby. Ada angang da pokra matung na uri nga gi matam si ko na postnatal post di ko na matung tarak pa na hai ko natal care of mother and child. Both the mother su care loksa gada bani hidak phajana chahauba adagi pothaba thabak akan basu da ba si ma'am si and child ko child gi su phajana senami ba. Importance of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding na kay kanay ko chapter number 3 da asagi colostrum ko ba ama first initial days of lactation period ta the we colostrum man na yaw ko colostrum na kari immunoglobulin rich hoy. It is rich in immunoglobulin IgA yaw ba ko kiba do IgA is very important for the infant. Kay you know hai tani sing infant na he or she becomes resistant to disease neba adu thak kita adi. Masaji may antibody si hena putok tu ni ko antibody si o thaba ni na laina tinada gi ngak i habine sini ko the family planning na si kaino family planning si important na si family planning si 1951 da how do ki ba duga RCH ki full form what is RCH full form reproductive and child health care. It was launched in 1997 and what are the major tasks of RCH programs in it. And aims and needs for sexual education in schools or schools ta kaka oi sikari ba si chapter jino ida tamali sikari ba to provide right information for adolescents to discourage them from believing in myths and misconceptions about sex related issues. Abadi am kay haini ko society sida needs adi akoina kay haini thazab si thazab needs hai ta andi thani degi kay haini mit se lai je anguk ti u je do si thajaba ne ba mit se ai di khona lai si lei di khang na si di mit makhalam ne adna adu ba hoi khara amadi thajaba ma thau ta adu yam china look adu di pa thau ta de na khali ko si da so ha si need to provide right information for adolescents ata di kay chahi no chahi puberty stage chahi 1920 sa jibo adolescent period ko re to discourage them believing in myths and misconceptions of sex about sex related issues. For example, menstruation to matamda koina female sida every month kudi menstruation to matamda wasi sukna samna ba yada ba mangi singi kaina khaldu ko is a misconceptions neba When biology no life tamamanina, hirabanina kangamani. It is nothing but kaino sa endometrium lining to disintegrate toraga blood to shed toraka na draw. Ado potha ba fai habi wani do. Ada glass amana na ising glass ang pag na mang ado di misconceptions ne ko. Ado masi angang sila gyan tahan ba. Yan tahan ba. Sini. Adolescents should be informed about reproductive organs. Reproductive organs, then adolescents and related changes. Adolescents matam sida no ina. Yan no di full of energy ne ba yaw si. Full of energy sida kado isaran tulan takan ba. Wakal yan tahan ba. Ko. Adagi related changes ma'am si kamay na crop of tawani. Afaba may kayo kamay na chat kani si ma'am si yan tahan ba. Safe and hygienic. Hygiene may body kayo na masanan ba. Sexual practices and sexually transmitted disease ma'am so like lo kupada nusitalaw na basumay na sexually transmitted disease ma'am na lay for example AIDS later adagi kay nang even hepatitis B so sexually transmitted disease ni adagi di ma'am lay makata na nila kani topic ama yaw ko chapter manung sida adagi gonorrhea kay na lay sige si ma'am sa gyan tahan ba ko sige. Next topic ta ako na population explosion. Population explosion ay tadi explosion na dik pukhay ba na tro. Ito population je ko India se second largest populated country in the world neba. Natra why the gi prithvi se the second je liba neba population je yam. The control to the tadi ko number 1 change ni ko. China di mi birth control to bo hang gureba. Ko di pulau wa ni do khara city gumada khara yan ta na ba family do yan ta ba gumadi dum ko yadong sagi birth population di control to numo ko nei aduga sagi village kumba khungang gumba chatu matam na moi di fazana awareness fazana phang da banina kadogi da control si ingam de kenta ko chin da bodi pulau da la so population explosion ne kai no sai population je yam some increase to jam yam say population growth ne jam wa ma mai size jam wang ta de ko na population explosion na kawi the tremendous increase adi yam na hingalakpa in size and growth rate of the population is called population explosion hai na kawi ko. It occurs due to increased health facilities. Increase kay dagi obi population explosion thui how ti yam na disease type na di population se yam so yam di adagi di machimuna se masing se yam tar su kay dogi da the health facilities if like tabanina for example ng cholera kaina har matamda cholera se mathang hojiri cholera na sibase thinadre kay no di ko vaccine loina kap khreba adu matamam da epidemic orameba epidemic hata di epidemic kya atharse pandemic habaga epidemic habaga atharse kono covid-19 se pandemic hai ko covid-19 se pandemic hai ko habidi pandemic hata di whole world da kay yogi da world se sandorakta di pandemic anang ko all over the world sa sandorakta di and all over the world sina pandemic ha seriously adagi epidemic ha kana place kala da hai din matai kono da certain place ama the area mati amda sina area macham da confined oba hai di atopa mamham na taba jaga mati amada sisna epidemic so matam amada kadoga khungang amada cholera sinare khalone te matang hai hidak lang thok to phajana like tabani na matang longna daga khumpa ama siba ko cholera typhoid polio kaina polio se India da pa eradicate oi ko polio na ba lai tre ko India se da anoba case da han kaina na yu da ta anoba case da lai tre eradicate taw ana sumaina akona health facilities se chakhalakpani na adagidi health facilities chakhalakpani na adagidi kadoga da living conditions se sum phagalakpani na kadoga da say population si di masing sum birth control taw da bani na population si ang khatle ba ko India population aduna population explosion je kari maram dagi oi ba yai sine ba ko the regions of population explosion kay ba yai decrease death rate atra death rate handarak pa hari disease mayam na sandoga sibado je control tore vaccine nung kapana hidak lakta chakolak pa dagi health facility mayam se chakolak pa dagi kadawre haman tam decrease death rate oi haba then matung da decline maternal mortality rate haba mortality di kaino mortality the death rate happening. Mortality happening, death rate. Decrease infant maternal mortality. Maternal hata the mother. Mother do say at the time of delivery matam da siga na ba khotpa dum yaw na rini. Senior su kone su doctor singje aye hiba myam thola ba the facilities the health facilities myam se phagalakana the decline maternal mortality rate decline to 100 maternal mortality rate 100 haba decline 100 then decrease infant mortality rate decrease infant hai ta di kai nu pok to ngai angang si infant hai do pok to ngai angang si infant ne ba ado infant su si dre hojik di sudden section na de na re hai kan ICU da pusin da na oxygen hajang na khot na hingna ba tauri na ja ado decrease infant mortality rate se 100 then increase in number of people in reproductive age so the reproductive age number of people si samna ha population se yam khala po je khoi population yam se reproductive age ka chahi kya dan kya bo warni asa adolescent matam dagi dum chahi 30 sai sibo 30 40 sai sibo reproductive age so de ni dana si masing gi mi se yam ba ko si masing gi mi se yam ba aduna according to the 2011 census report the population explosion rate was 2% population explosion की rate है पर percentage से हंगला इनको 2% that is 22% है meaning the kind of 1000 per 20 ने बा हंगला इसे by this rate our population could double in the 3 years aduna ana like jara ma population ne kini asigi rate sum control ta udra ba adu eta di kadoni chahi 33 years in matungda ase population double times urani ba huge number population urani so resource the limited abanina ni singje sai survival of the fittest sare dai ka jat myam thongna rani ko adi ising phangda ba khota ba lan myam ko lan myam tawrani ba aduna population explosion that thongna ba khona control to ma thau ta adi ingna chikna nuai ne phana pan na phatro adi samna ha nang larik pa bam da sungai ne or yum da sungai ne no imu do ingna chikna mi mari manga le jera ma do 4 times 4 hen male ne khalo ne adu ita di ne yum da pan da matam da jaga pixela oidro hadi jaga se de no ing hol de pak to ke ya ba ti pasha yam pai le di kham de ko le di bo jaga di fix ne ba fix ni nang la iba nang income is fix ni the population hengalak da di so how to cope up aduna nang aphang ba de bihar da to isi mo di control to da ne na kai hai ni mo di puta thadu isi hadi khara ma parents na ka do ni hai ma tam da gyan ta dam ni na population da moi angang mari manga le ne di sena ba ngam more adi noi chalo ngam na hinga ma tang ra khong te kira ka do ge noi hinguro na thadu tu ne ba chung tang school chalan ga da ba angang da ka do ni pasha tan na ma thola ni slum da lairani bikhani ba thola ni so hingna ba di cha to la kani patra mi ni na hingning ba ni na cha to ko ni ba so huran chin thi ge thabak hengal la kani sini kwa aduna ke do ge da population se ko na control to da ba ya te ana hai ba ko family planning is very important. So number methods to prevent population explosion kai to ba ya population explosion to da na ba kari to ba ya sini amada raising the marriageable age to 18 years for females and 21 years for males so 18 ni makha da mi se lo ngade lo na ya de ko lo na ya da ba ni so 18 hela de lo ya re and 21 years ni pa ye 21 years hai ko couples with small families should be given some incentives. Ala small families in the incentives sa ko ng kana mag-women gi makai dagi ni khang di kana ba pibi ba ko kana ba pibi ba I didn't know kasi no siya mi this small family niya do na price ang gi kai de pibi ba couples with small families should be given some incentives mo na thauna hen happy ba ta di ni siya mataw tam na ko do ni ko. Ano number 3 the birth control is an important step to control the population growth by motivating smaller families to use contraceptive methods. Contraceptive methods di kind of birth control tau na ba methods ko na contraceptive methods ka ko. The birth control is an important step to control the population growth. Birth control se contraceptive method na am lai ko khamu drasu ko na birth control se kamai na tau ni na the parents in the area pipi ba sini. Duna hay ko na problems of population explosion se kai tungda kai future generation se the population explosion thok ta di kari to ba magi ꯐꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯒꯦꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ contraceptive methods ꯕꯔꯠꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ control ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ sexually transmitted disease ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯅꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ contraceptive methods ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯅꯁꯤ contraceptive methods ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ contraceptive methods ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ birth control ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ birth control ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ contraceptive methods ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯐꯪ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯗꯤꯐꯤꯀꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ contraceptive methodsꯇꯣ ꯂꯟꯗꯟꯗ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯀ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ it's very difficult ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯄꯦꯟꯁꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ it is very simple and friendly ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ easily available ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ friendly ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯅꯁꯥꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ friendly ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ birth control ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ that is not a friendly ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯅ harmful to our health ꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ friendly ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ contraceptive methodꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ easily available ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯣ easily available ꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ then effective ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ effective ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ solutionꯗꯣ is very good solution ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ effective ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯕ then reversible with no side effects ꯑꯗꯨꯅ side effect ꯂꯩꯇꯕ reversible ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯪ birth controlꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ next ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩ birth controlꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ reversible ꯑꯣꯏꯕ then non-interfering with the sexual drive then desire and the sexual act ꯂꯩ Well, the various contraceptive methods ko contraceptive methods ki method mayam se yengsi ahamada natural or traditional method ani subada barriers then ahum subada intrauterine device oral contraceptives mari subadana manga subadana injectables number 6 tana surgical methods or sterilization si mamam din ne ko din ba natural or traditional methods yengsi Natural or traditional methods 야. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 이라이 ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯦꯕ. birth control involving there is no chemical ꯅꯪ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯆꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ 이라이 ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯣ birth control involves avoiding chances of sperm and overweighting. ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ it can be achieved by ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ periodic abstinence ꯀꯣ number B ꯗ coitus interruptus number C ꯗ lactational amenorrhea. सिगे periodic abstinence से कहीं ना है periodic abstinence है ना कहीं है ना from day 10 to 17 को day 10 लगे 17 भाव से कोई टेस्ट हो गई दब सी मतलब सिर्फ कोई टेस्ट हो दब सिदी is a very good chances तो सिदी कहीं लोगे द fertilization तो वो मतलब द fertilization से याम good chances हैं वांगे Sige 17 to 10 to 17 ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3 ꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3 ꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤ ovulatory phase ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯣ ovulatory phase or ovulation ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ovulation ꯁꯦ ovulatory phase ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ovulation ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ovulatory phase ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ovulation ꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯗꯦꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯤ 14 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯗꯦꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯀꯣ 14 or in some 14 15 ꯅ ꯏꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯗꯦꯁꯤꯗ menstrual cycle ꯒꯤ date 14 ꯅꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ date 14 ꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ menstrual cycle ꯒꯤ 14 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯑꯣ period ꯂꯥꯛꯄ or menstruation ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ date 1 ꯅ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ day 1 ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯪ menstruation ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ dayꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ 1 day ꯅ ꯊꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ 1 2 3 4 5 5 ꯇ ꯅꯪ menstruation complete ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ menstruation ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ menstruation ꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ menstruation ꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ around 5 days ꯇ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ menstrual phase ꯇꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ menstrual phase ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯅ menstrual phase ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤꯀꯣ sina 5 days fawneba natra sidagi 1 to 5 day bokti menstrual phase ta laigreba si matung sida sida endometrium lining do loina blood to set tawakana fertilize tawdabina sagi fertilize tawni fertilization tawtardi implantation thoknaba asagi embedded blood blastocyst na embed tawaga lainabagi damakta endometrium lining do thakale haido thickening of the endometrium lining tawi haigi adubu fertilize tawdabina there is no need for that asagi dhaka tadabina to the endometrium lining do loina disintegrate tawaga along with the secondary secondary oocyte or secondary oocyte ka pulap tholak kinatra adudubu kai ka menstruation or menstrual phase ka ko na matong sina first day lere then second suba na follicular phase hagi follicular phase or proliferative phase na hagi proliferative phase na hagi sina de ka dawgi sige matong tama da 5 to 13 days 이거는 proliferative phase 네 하래. proliferative phase 하다니 나가 자기 next cycle 가 자기 1도 secondary side to 그래 나자. 아두만 동시다 another 1 maturation 토니 나자 maturation 나와니 난 follicular development 토니 primary follicle, secondary follicle, adagi tertiary follicle, graphene follicle, then oocyte na inka primary oocyte dagi secondary oocyte all ani secondary oocyte unmagi si phase na kaino egg ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ eggsꯦ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯆꯥꯛꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ ꯃꯨꯟꯍꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯪ ꯆꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯨꯟꯍꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯩ ꯔꯥꯏꯁ ꯀꯨꯀꯔꯗ ꯊꯣꯡꯉ ꯃꯨꯜꯂꯦꯗꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ proliferative phase ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ primary oocyteꯗꯨꯗꯤ 마디 grow tawba loidri grow tawdri primary follicle di grow tawdri aduna kadawgeda masi maturation thoine sem sa tawine sigi sem sabagi stage ya kai kogeda follicular phase or proliferative phase ana proliferation ne proliferative phase aba proliferative phase ta sithok to ne ba sidana kadawi follicular development tawe ko ek to same ko si for 5 to 13 days should have ek to same san tawe aduga ovulatory phase ta third sugar phase ta kai legi ovulatory phase lai ja अरे सही सेम साबा लोइरे हाका चाकतो खोजु चार मुनले हाताले के दौनी चाकतो प्लेट थिरेगा चारेको रन तुम ओबुलेटरी फेस के दौनी ग्राफेन फॉलिकल दो ग्राफेन फॉलिकल इ मनु द याबो उसाइट तो सेम साबा लोइबा सेकेंडरी उसाइट तो रिलीज तौरानी बा सिना ओबुलेटरी फेस ते नजा अने एक तो थोले को सिना एक तो रिलीज तौरे ओबुलेशन थया सिना कया सुबा दे द थोपा 14 सुबा दे द थो एन हाइले अदो इतादी एक तो थोए को अदु मंतुंग सिदा लास्ट की फेस ना को luteal phase है luteal phase ना सही endometrium lining सेम साबो खपा मु तवरनी सही सकल दम हंज लइने को luteal phase का दवी सही endometrium lining द thickening मु तवरनी सिना 15 to 28 day द थय अदबु असगी fertilize तो बगी मपा से fertilization थोक के हाय तादी fertilize तो दादी सही रंग pregnant ओरयानी को fertilize tawbagi matamse karam kandagi sige 14 days sida sperm changakpa taradi ko 14 days sida sperm changakpa taradi there's a high chances of fertilize tawbagi high chances neba aduna 14 suba day sida high chances lay ana 14 suba day or 13 par bada or 13 or mase sabada thuna no thoke ay tadi mamang sida 11 12 11 12 13 사이즈들이 좀 허우게 시야래 aduna ek to release tawani ovulation thoni ada release tawa kai de leini fallopian tube ta leini ko chi leide se ke mas pam ta ngadi 14 suba day se ni huni hen do ke ta su ka do ke da fertile obagi fertilize to bagi chances to am wa bari na dan kai ha ba ho de ki si topic sida ona sida kai ha ba 10 to 17 भाव बुदी कोइटस तौबीदबा हाइबदी फर्टिलाइज ओइहन्नबा तौबीदबा हाइबनी फर्टिलाइज तौहन्नबा फर्टिलाइज तौहन्नबा हाइतादि कोइटस तौदबा तारे सि कोइटस से कपल सि कोइटस से तौइदबने कइगुम्बा नंगना कइ बर्थ से कंट्रोल तौगे हाइतादि को 10 to 17 अतोबा मतमददी लो चांसेस ऑफ सिगे 10 डे सिमा मांग सिददी सिना 10 17 डे ले सि मतुंग सिददी सिना हाई चांसेस ऑफ Pena to pa niya. 10 to 17 days si manung sida di ka dawi high chances of fertilization niya. High chances of fertilization niya. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ 10ꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯣ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯣ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯆꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯣ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦꯗ 10 day ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯀꯣꯏꯇꯁ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ no chances of fertilization. Low chances of fertilization ꯁꯤꯗꯤ fertilizationꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯦꯁꯇꯣ ꯅꯦꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ 17 ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯄꯤꯟ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ what is the site of fertilization ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯄꯤꯟ ꯇꯤꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯄꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯑꯦꯝꯄꯨꯂꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯃꯤꯛ ꯖꯪꯁꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯄꯨꯂꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯃꯤꯛ ꯖꯪꯁꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯌꯨꯇꯦꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯨꯝꯅꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯣ ꯌꯨꯇꯦꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯨꯝꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯝꯄꯨꯂꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯃꯤꯛ ꯖꯪꯁꯟꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯦꯝꯄꯨꯂꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯃꯤꯛ ꯖꯪꯁꯟꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯔꯝ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯁꯨ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯣ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ fertilityꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ fertilizationꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯣ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯦꯁꯇꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ 10 to 17 day ꯐꯥꯎꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯣꯏꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ it's a very simple method for birth control there is no need for ꯅꯪ హిꯗꯥꯛ pills ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯥ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ aware ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯤ birth control ꯇꯧꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ so in this period ovulation is expected to occur and chances of fertilization are very high ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯎꯔꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦ in this period ovulation is expected to occur sigi matamsidadi ovulation je thokni habagi leitro khoi idea je koksida dum yawadamneba ovulation je thoktuneba si matamsida ovulation thok taardi ga do sperm changa fertilize tawrni aduna chances of fertilization are very high haise mana also called as rhythm method of natural family planning na hai sini kwa sini number b da coitus interruptus sini gyan tarin khaluko gyan tare ko sije nai yamna isana hayeng hanura bawta dum ningjang ba yaba important ba pot ni ko sia then coitus interruptus ni ko no coitus interruptus hai tadi also called rejected sexual intercourse haba ko or pull out method or withdrawal in this method the penis is withdrawn from the vagina just before the ejaculation asai semen do thadok tabado semen je thadom dai da lauthokpa sisina I have a coitus interruptus. Number C, dana. Lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea hai tadi is the absence of menstruation during the period of lactation following parturition. Parturition ne kai hagi sigi term yam se khang de din noi gyan mam de ni ko. Parturition hai tadi kai no. Parturition hai tadi it is a delivery of baby na tro. Si delivery to ni parturition hai tadi. Parturition hai tadi delivery neba adu tadi lactation hai tadi kaino kaino ma hai dibo kai gyan ne ta tadi nei si lactation si kaino khangdam na si sentence ni gyan ta so ngamot lactation hai tadi milk production milk production tawba matamsidadi kaidogeda khone around 6 months after the parturition tawba matungsida 6 months even mi kharadadi even chahi ma bokta adum menstruation su alaktaba ko sise kai maramdagi oibe asagi follicle do ek to semdabagi natro follicular development tawdaba follicle maturation of follicle cells tawdadi ovum do kamaina release tawrani ovum do kamaina release tawrtoina ba khona seba saba lorganda egg to release tawrkodoine ada egg to release tawdabanina menstruation talk tadi nang egg to sendre habani egg to sendre na sagi adu matamsida contest taw matamda nang there is no chances of fertilization thoro fertilization thoda tadi adu mat to control tawrena sin absence of menstruation during the lactation period sagi mama sina sangom thogi ba matam sida parturition ek loi ba matam sida kadauge da menstruation thok tabnina there is no chances of fertilization happening because ovulation does not occur in this period I see ovulation does not occur in this period so the chances of conception are none. This method is reliable for a maximum period of 6 months after the delivery. Sige method se karam kandabu sana ba yai haban tamda delivery tor matungda only for 6 months katane buko. Sini lactational amenorrhea chitana natural method ta hum nai re periodic abstinence coitus interruptus then number C the lactational amenorrhea. Then the barrier methods. Barrier methods are barrier methods are based on prevention of ovum and sperm from physically meeting with the help of barriers. Barriers may be chemical or mechanical. But barrier has the ovum and sperm model payam tawaga kaduduno fusion to on the manera, fertilized on the manera. Then condoms again number one, the condoms are mechanical barriers made of thin rubber or latex sheet to cover the penis in male or vagina, cervix in female. So say what for male today, female today. Let's prevent meeting of sperm in a condoms are also provides protection kay kari ngam important name ko sisino ka daw kaya sexually transmitted disease station ng They are disposable and can be self-inserted and thereby gives privacy to the user. See diaphragm see cervical caves and walls are also mechanical barriers made of rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover cervix during coitus. They are reusable. But the disposable and disposable ni condom na disposable once used to hunukiba is reusable jaba. The spermicidal creams, jellies or foams are chemical barriers ko ako na cream ba apply tauraga adusu moisture na chemical methods nila. Along with these barriers to increase the contraceptive efficiency have the birth control taure. Ayan methods di ilalay. Then intrauterine device. Intrauterine device ko na some with IUD short form na IUD na have the message. IUD have a call. Intrauterine device are a device introduced in the uterus through vagina by doctors or expert nurse since na vagina da hapchen IUD prevent contraception in the following ways. IUD is in a kamina birth control or contraceptive method amo uwi si kamina no. Ay method number A the increased phagocytosis. Increased phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Increased phagocytosis ay tadi kayo. Ako na engulf tawbo din ko. Engulf tawbo din ang amoeba na food jabado. Amoeba na food jabado nga tayo taas 8-7-8 yung tamido din. Amoeba na food jabado at say engulf tawbo. Pag finger-like projection naman siya mga da. Food to engulf tawbo do ko na whole jasan mo do ko na phagocytosis na hagi ko. Food engulf whole food to engulf tawbo do. Right ako na. Asagi sperm chang po sperm do. Si ayudi siya nakadawgi da sperm mo chato ko niya. Phagocytosis tawbo niya. Atau kita di fertilize tahu je na sperm no mangan gini ni. Ya ada so kalau kita IUD jangan tahu si increase phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Uterus saya tadi kawin ko uterus saya tadi female reproductive organ ni uterus or womb hai betul ko saya ni lagi betul. Si uterus ko sudah kita endometrium lining le. Si uterus ni ko. Uterus sida hapchen mani ba. Uterus sida. Ko uterus sida sperm tayo ko do phagocytosis tawbo. Number B da some IUD suppress sperm motility and fertilizing ability of sperm by releasing copper ions. IUDꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ IUDꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ copper ions ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯅꯤ. copper ionsꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ spermꯒꯤ movement-ꯁꯤꯗꯅꯦ spermꯒꯤ movement-ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯤꯕ. ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯤꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ separate-ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯝꯗꯕ sperm motility ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ fallopian tube ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏꯕ. ꯆꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯍꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏꯕ spermꯗꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ fallopian tube ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ fertilization ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ. And the fertilizing ability of sperm by releasing copper ions. Number 3, the hormone releasing IUD make uterus unsuitable for implantation and make the cervix hostile to sperm. Cervix hostility sperm se degrade over, destroy over, cervix hostile meaning destroy over have them. So chaban say sperm chapado sana handaba hai ta sperm nuga uterus san sana daba environment ng putuan ba ado ta di sperm no masama thanda kai dawani cervix hostile lebadi degrade tawani mangani destroy tawani haba ko sini ada IUDs are either contraceptives for female who want to delay pregnancy. This is one of the most widely accepted contraception method in India. And the highly accepted one method na ando man highly accepted ba method ne ba ko sini. The IUD gi my device family picture si obviously copper T do that ko so my makhal khara lai yi si IUD gi makhal IUD habadi intrauterine device habako IUD gi makhal da habada non medicated IUDs copper releasing IUD hormone releasing IUD ko non medicated IUDs copper releasing IUDs hormone releasing IUD ko habada non medicated IUD si non medicated IUD sida tawsina kaino ay matamna for example lipis loop hai si they are inserted in the vagina of female ko inserted kai tawdino hapchen ni ko hapchen ni aduga kai da vagina da hapten so they that moi gi mathau sida kamai tawge da sperm motility to retardation to pa suppress chappa gam handaba sperm do adu ta di ampulla stimulation do ta na lakpa ngomore so fertilization never occurs nana then they have spermicidal effect sperm hatok to spermicidal adi ang sperm ne destroy tawba for example lipis loop non medicated IUD hasina copper releasing IUD for example see give an example of copper releasing IUD I give 2 example yang hang maningo se copper T laya copper 7 laya multilode 375 these are the examples of copper releasing IUD okay ni ba copper T copper 7 multilode 375 see na kadoge the 2 ure dana siya yang ipipik po ni ure dana sila ito ada kaya insert tawla they inserted through the vagina inside the uterus nandra vagina da changan gaga kai da hapchale uterus da hapchale ure ba siya ure ko blue na sila ito copper T sida copper T kai uterus sida hapchale copper releasing IUD ano ka daw say copper ions copper haban nang si copper ne actually then copper ions release taw kanin copper ions release taw ko po sina ka daw ba they suppress motility of sperm and fertilizing capacity of sperm fertilization daw handa man suppress taw wadi hangin na nam daw then hormone releasing IUD example the progesterone si jam hang mani ko progesterone adagi LNG20 Z20 is A option number 1 the copper releasing IUD option number B the non-medicated IUD option number C the barrier option number D the hormone releasing IUD and adu tadi kai tare hormone releasing IUD ta ngang khopien so copper releasing IUD example se khangjan lo progesterone haba progesterone na te ko progesterone na isa khotun ni progesterone aduga LNG20 they make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. Implantation to on the baneva. Hamba. Implantation is okay. Embryo se develop the organda, morula, blastula, or zygote layer, morula layer, blastula layer. So you blastula stage or blastocyst. Blastula is okay. Hanasu COVID, blastocyst, hanasu koi ko. Blastula or blastocyst are same. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ blastula or blastocyst after 16 cell stage matung tarapado on blastula or blastocyst kawiko 16 cell stage matung tarapado ne adu de implantation thon da lori implantation thok ta di kai do fertilization nang fertilize tawgen khallo adu eta di implantation thok ta di kai do ni pregnant hoare and cervix hostile to sperms adana and cervix hostile to sperms hormone releasing IUD ni sino ko hormone releasing IUD and this is a copper releasing IUD. Right. So they are also inserted inside the uterus there, but they release hormone. Sino hormone release all of them. Sino ka release hormone. Sino ka release all pa. Sino release copper ions there. Copper ions release to ko. Copper ions sama tamna ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯝꯖꯟꯅ ꯍꯩꯔꯝꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯒ ꯁꯝꯖꯜꯂ ꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯦ CU ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯒ ꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯀꯣ CU ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯗꯤꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯅꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ 2+ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯁꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ then oral contraceptives ꯍꯥꯏꯕ oral contraceptives ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯒꯨꯂꯤ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯕ pills ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ oral contraceptives. Oral contraceptives are hormonal preparation in the form of pills. Ko in the form of pills oina. Pills are small doses of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination neba. Nang pills se kai neba progesterone natraga progesterone estrogen ani si punjanaraga semba. Ko pills oina chaneli. So oral pills after individual akona pills ni tawise kai na matamda ovulation thon da bai wane hai ko pills na tawise kai no ovulation thon ka ta di nang ovary manung da ek to lai dum lai di nang sperm no ovary ta na chang to na ti ba loi de philippines ta dum mai gi lambi da mai journey de loi aduna ka yoge da ovulation je nang ka thon da di thok da di ovary di ek to pong ta ta di nang there is no chances of fertilization ko senior and implantation and also modify the quality of cervical mucus to prevent or detach entry of sperm site. Quality of cervical mucus. Sabi ko na mucus sama secreto iko. Mucus sama secreto busi ka dawi. Nangi sperm gi mangi motility rate to handa ba. Ko adi sperm changan da ba. Haina handa ba ita sperm do mai environment do unsuitable han ba. Adu ita di changang tre na. Adu mai na ek to. Oral pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days. 21 days mo chathokadabni starting within the first 5 days of menstrual kadagi hawkaram kandagi hawgodaba menstrual cycle gi first 5 days atudagi di hawgodaba adu ni mangani manungdi ama adai ma hawgodaba ne mako. So example da sahili haisi example da pill dugi maming ni ko miming nati ko se si sahili haisi it's a name of a pill. It's an example of contraceptive oral developed by scientists of Central Drug Research CDRI Institute. Central Drug Research Institute CDRI. It contains a non-steroid called Kenshomen. Kenshomen ko chemical am yarba. Sinasi chemical sina sperm retardation ito. And it is a once a week, every week amada amutang chaga daba ko. Week amada amutang chaga daba with very few side effects. Other side effects ya mani yamt. Ko oral pill sa na kaino oral pill si important part si kaino matamda oral pill de si important ba. Only yaw si kai combination no. Uli chai do kaino. Uli chai di vitamin and minerals sa kaino tikem na tikay progesterone or progesterone estrogen or progesterone estrogen combinations punsan na sim. Adagi injectables yung yin si matanda. Injectables ha na nang na kudak ta hida caption ba ko nang ko ta se tawga matung sida nang pregnancy oning de ha ta di ko doge da fertilization ta kon logi ha ta di inject ko hida caption ni ba directly to the blood. Replants or injections are effective for longer period although their mode of action is similar to oral contraceptives mani ko tama ni sagi sperm retardation cervix hostile ba. Then progesterone alone or in combination with estrogen are used by females as injections or implants under the skin. Dahil kung masu injectable na kapte siya sa combination do. Dahil di ba oral pills na combination yung plus progesterone, estrogen combinations or progestogen. Haiba chemicals niya ba? Sisi, kung directly ng tsabag yung muta ka do pa. Skin da, hita kasan nulo rin. Ano di siya man na do? Iblat to yaw na. Tsara digestor raga ko digestor raga small percent mo wala na absorb ta raga. Ang different parts of the body to prove ba na ito na ang slow processor ni. But sina injectable sa ng directly, it inject directly to the bloodstream dito kasan mo niya. So, emergency contraceptive include administration of progesterone. In case of rape case, rape case, din ang kari, kumain to, umihaw tada, within 72 hours. 72 hours ko. 72 hours sa how many days? 3 days and that. 3 days in manung sida 3 days atro. 24 mali 3 days ni. Ala 3 days ki manung sida nga sige injection dito ho ba ko. Sin due to rape or casual unprotected intercourse. One of these techniques are highly effective but poorly irreversible. Ada ay na, so ida tanging mamalaydi. Asagi progestogen sila, mana effective oil si kamain no. Ovulation to one si kamain no. Progestogen na progesterone no ha, sama ni. Progesterone sama ni ko. Progestogen ha ge or progesterone si sama na mga tani. It gives a negative feedback to ovulation. Ovulation token na isang na sige chemical sina or sige hormone and it's putro bayan ko positive na putro sige progestogen sina ako na yung level siya increase wala ganda yam maganda kaya kita ovulation siya token de kaba ovulation token de ko inhibits it inhibits ovulation niya. Inhibit ovulation niya. Ada kung yung blood ki level sila niya, kung yung blood sila sa progesterone level siya wang yun ang kalasim. Si level siya wang dadi. Kaya daw kita, nasa yi, kung hypothalamus to GnRH to ko. GnRH kaya daw ni. Sida, kaya daw ni. Handara nang, GnRH nang handaro na haya niya. Kasi handari ko. GnRH reduced sorry. GnRH is a hormone which is released from, which is secreted from hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Sige, puto ko hormone dugo ko ng GnRH hagi ko. Sige, GnRH handal ta. The GnRH ka na it acts on the anterior part of the pituitary gland. It acts on the anterior part of the pituitary gland and makes to release kay release to ba. Hormone ni release to hali. Release LH habam ka, FSH habam ka. Mamangi ng sikhang dasu, chapter number 3 that patanan taki ba ni po. Adan, sige, kay ni ba, hormone na ni po tuwale mana. GnRH na hormone na ni po tuwale ba. LH habam ka, FSH habam ka. Ado ay tabi. Sige reduce to, sige reduction to tabi. Sige ba sana siya po turaro edi. Chandra, sige po turaro edi. Asing hindi man na si po ka daw po siya. GnRH na 타돌아가나 pituitary gland 하나 여우라가나 시 hormone 아니 타도할라거든요. 시 hormone 아니 타도할라거든요. 이거 뻗쳐. GnRH 한다라 버니나 시 hormone 아니 수부터 알아요. 맞아. 난 दुकान चलो ना पा consider दी नंग दुकान चलते बिदे दुम नहीं तो तो मैंने कहना माने GnRH से पुथोरक बनिना सिसु LH छबगा FSH छबगा hormone 아니 सिसु पुथोरारा Puto yung pwede ka daw ni. Nasagi, LH matao di kayo no. LH matao siya kung tamngre LH matao siya di ovulation tuon mani madi. Ovulation tuon mani may function di. At adi LH matao siya handara ba niya sisu handara ni ovulation toroy siya. Ado ita som na suka daw ni. FSH handara ba niya. FSH matao siya di kayo no. May follicle stimulating hormone haman na to. Madi kayo no follicular development na yaman. Follicular development or follicle cells development ano na sa dawge da sisu tooroi. Ano tadi egg to release sa withdraw. ovulation thokhido thore ek to same saba tawre release tawre adu etadi there is no chances of fertilization thoktre ada sina ha sina kamaina duna progesterone duna kamaina ek tawi kamaina enhance tawino de senior nai ko adu injectable sina kadeba hone administer tawriba inject tawrise kari no kari combination no oral contraceptive ta yawi kari combination no kari hormone no hai tardi kari chemicals no hai tardi progesterone natraga progestogen estrogen combination sana hai ga loy ko si yam hangbani ko adu karam hana inject tawdaba within 72 hours of coitus ko 72 hours si manung si administer tawdaba okay, see the see about the see okay students have a great day bye.